whether you're a professional contractor or need heavy-duty power to complete your DIY tasks. Look no further than this Ridgid Gen5X impact driver for your fastener driving needs. This is one of the most powerful cordless high-torque driving units available from Ridgid, at up to 2 inches-pounds of torque. You'll find that there is more than enough power available in this tool to drive the largest fasteners, even lag bolts, with ease, if you need it to perform more delicately. You can reduce its power with the 3-level switch that lets you alternate between smaller fasteners like screws and larger ones like bolts. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This huge power doesn't sacrifice portability you'll see in other Ridgid power tools. It has a belt clip that you can clip onto either side of the tool, whether you're right or left-handed. You'll be able to carry it around comfortably. Also assisting you in your work is the LED set around the chuck. They can be activated with a trigger separate from the one that activates the motor, so you don't have to waste battery power while you light up your subject, no matter the application. You will find a ton of utility in this Ridgid Gen5X impact driver. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Quick release chuck. You don't need an extra tool, or even a battery powering your impact driver, to replace bits. All you need to do is pull the chuck's collar back and the bit will eject. Number 2. 3 power modes. Switch between 3 power modes, adjusting from 0 to 2 inches-pounds of torque to suit the task at hand. Number 3. Textured grip. There is a rubber overmold on the impact driver's pistol grip that allows you to have maximum control in slippery conditions. Number 4. LED lighting. You can keep your working subject lit with the LED lighting around the chuck. There is a separate trigger that can activate them, letting you brighten your subject without activating the driver and wasting battery, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.